Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some serious news. So basically, our President Cyril Ramaphosa, went to meet with the United States President Trump. Now, our president, in his wisdom, took some delegates with him who just made this whole thing likable, right? They had to explain to Trump, Uguti, this is how South Africa operates, and these are the challenges actually in South Africa. Not necessarily the challenge that you think the 39 people are here. I don't know if they're 49 or 39. The number just keeps on confusing me, right? But with that said, can we conclude, Uguti, President Ramaphosa said in conclusion, our biggest problem in South Africa is unemployment and illegal immigrants / foreigners. And white people are the biggest contributor of the illegal foreigners in South Africa, right? 1, with their farms. 2, with their helpers, because 3, with their garden boys, because everyone that they employ there 99% of the time is non-South African. Why? Because of cheap labor. So now, what did you expect Cyril Ramaphosa to do? Did you expect him to make noise, insult, belittle, like our other president with the red beret would do? Did you expect him to say, keep your America, I will keep my Zimbabwe, and all Zimbabweans comes to South Africa? Like, I don't know. Let me know, what is the best solution that you think President Cyril Ramaphosa could have done in his shoes of being president? If it was you, what would you have said?